President William Ruto Niwaweta Kana Masivitali va nthi ya Kenya Kwambiisya muthenyani wa uni Methiwa Maikwata Ndivi Mwau ila Mataite Kinandu cha SHA kuma kwi Silikali vala bilioni 13 Ikulekwa muthenyani wa uni kuthi Masivitalini Onze ala Mataite SHA.President Ainenea Kanisani wa Africa Gospel Kuya Ilovi Niwaweta Kana Nimaendeeye na Kuseuvya Uthukumi wa SHA na Kwongela Kuweta Kana nthi ya Kenya ni Ukwati wa Katikati ni mwe kati wa nthi ila siendeeye ni sake maendeeo. Onesmus Chalo nukutuelezea.
President William Ruto Niwaweta Masivitali manthi ya Kenya la Mataite Kinandu cha SHA Ilovi cia Mwau ni Maikwata va muthenyani wa uni. President yaweta kinthi ni wa kanisa wa Africa Gospel Kuya Kanisani musini wa Ilovi vala wathaithia umuthi vala weta kana Silikali yake ni kulecha bilioni 13 va muthenyani wa uni kulika Masivitalini asi vala wakathia Uthukumi wa Silikali na weta kana Silikali yake nende na kwikia mawala nyomba sio kwikithia Uthukumi wa SHA ni wa ilanga.
The situation then was very different from the situation today. We have not only transformed the health infrastructure, we have digitized it. There is no more papers left, right, and center to be manipulated by people. We still are continuing to get rid of the not so good people who want to manipulate the system. But we are better placed today. Tomorrow, on Monday, we will be paying 13 billion shillings from SHA to our hospital facilities in Kenya for this month only. 13 billion is money that used to be collected in almost 6 months under NHI. Today, that is the money we are paying in 1 month.
You know, there are bishops who speak in this town about social health authority, and they say certain things which you wonder which country they live in. Yourself, Bishop, and I challenge you this morning, that you also need to speak, see what social health authority has done to hospitals like Tenwek, that now they can begin to see transformation and move into countries like this. That's the kind of country that we want.
President yatamani na tongo ke wathukanyo ala matete abanene Uthukumi wa Silikali. Inge President Niwaweta kana nthi ya Kenya ni Ukwati wakati na ni imwe kati ya nthi ila siendeeye na kuyana muno kimaendeeo na nicho kitumi chothothete mathoa ma mauta kwambata va nthi ya Kenya ya sianywa na nthi ilingi silembetani ya Africa.
I know many people in Kenya keep asking, why is it that sometimes prices of fuel are different in Kenya to get from our neighbors? And sometimes maybe it's good to let them know because it's important for people to know. 3 things. Number one, Kenya is a middle-income country. Our neighbors are least development countries. There's a big difference. If you want to compare Kenya fairly with others, compare Kenya with other middle-income countries. That is how you will get the figures right. Middle-income countries like Kenya possibly have higher prices than Kenya, or the same. That's number one. Number two, our fuel supports transport infrastructure. I just want Kenyans to know that we have 20,000 kilometers of tarmac to maintain, and we have 6,000 kilometers of tarmac under construction. 20,000 kilometers of tarmac to maintain here in Kenya.
Nilivote abdingwa Mvomo Tongo TV, nito Onesmus Chalo.